People say the same thing about Zuckerberg. They're like, where does...
No, he's all rope.
Where does the cyborg end and the human begin? I don't know. Maybe I think Zuck might be misunderstood. Anyway, he says Instagram is going to suck twice as much next year. I don't think he said that specifically. How dare you, Gizmodo? He actually said that AI recommended content will make up more than 30% of Instagram next year. And I don't know if you've been following this, but like this conversation around what Instagram should be or make Instagram great again, or where are all the photos or where are all the posts from people that I actually know as opposed to the AI generated one, or why has Instagram become TikTok? Kylie Jenner spoke on it. Kim Kardashian spoke on it. I mean, they obviously don't like it. Mm-hmm. They don't want to be over there competing with the algorithm. They built up tremendous fan bases that are probably skipping their posts, if we're honest, because they're getting fed 30% of stuff that Instagram's essentially experimenting with. It doesn't matter. Zuckerberg is unmoved. He said that the photo sharing app will show twice as much AI recommended content by the end of next year. Earnings call Wednesday. He said social feeds across the company's apps would shift from being driven primarily by people and accounts you follow to increasingly also being driven by content recommended by AI, even if you don't follow the users who created the content. Sounds a lot like TikTok to me. It's currently at 15% AI promoted content. Sure feels like more than that to me at the moment. But anyway, apparently it's at 15. It'll go up to 30% by the end of the year for not just Instagram, but also Facebook. Social content from people you know is going to remain an important part of the experience, and some of our most differentiated content, but increasingly we'll also be able to supplement that with other interesting content from across our networks. Well, part of this must have something to do with the fact that their advertising model has had to change rapidly due to changes at Apple. And maybe now being able to generate more data out of that user base is going to allow some different techniques or strategies when it comes to monetization. And possibly part of that is the conditioning around the viewership habits, the conditioning around suggestions, algorithms, and this idea that you're not seeking anything out, but instead that you're going to turn the app on and kind of have a more passive TikTok-like experience. Although I don't even know how much money TikTok's making because the creators certainly aren't getting it based on all the reports we've heard.
I mean, the landscape is changing in how we consume content. I think Instagram is really following TikTok in a way, which is unfortunate.
Man.
But do they have another choice? What's their choice?
Users are resistant. Make Instagram again is the movement backed by Jenner and Kardashian. The money problem. Meta reported its first ever revenue decline. Yeah. Well, it has to be something to do with that. It's just a very competitive landscape for attention right now. And companies are trying to do whatever they can amidst this downturn to keep people locked. You know, you get more desperate. You want to hold on to what you've got even more so as the revenue starts to freeze a little bit.